Hello students, today once again your Harinder Kaur ma'am is in front of you to enhance your mental ability and make your learning little deeper. In the previous video, I explained how to multiply in an easy manner. If you haven't seen that video, I would strongly recommend you to watch this, and you should get the pop-up somewhere here. Okay, division trick I am going to teach you today. Division is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic, and in this video I will teach you how to divide the large numbers in an easy manner. What happens, once again I am going to tell you that when you give the paper, you go do the sums with the column method, but when you have to revise, you are not left with time, because division is a concept which is quite time consuming. In the olden times, too much stress was laid on the tables. That time the parents used to say that if you have memorized the tables, you cannot do any mistake in maths. But now, realistic approach of maths is that we should build up the tables instead of rote learning. So here in this division trick, I am not going to stress on the tables. Rather, I am saying that you can do division very fast without learning the tables even. Alright. As children, you know there are four major parts of division. These parts are called dividend, divisor, quotient, and if some number is left after making the groups, that is called remainder. Children, I am going to give you one sum now which will explain you how to do the division in an easy manner and to do it quickly. The number is like, I can give you 17,550 divided by 75. You will find this sum difficult because you don't know the table of 75. But here I will teach you the trick with which you can do the sum very easily, but you have to keep yourself focused on the sum. Okay. So the sum is, I will put a bar here, 17,550 divided by 75. Now I will not divide the sum by 75, rather I will put a circle here and take this 5 here by putting the sign of multiplication. Now I have to divide this sum only by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Easy? You can find it quite easy, but there is one trick as I have written here. Now you just subtract 4 from 7, 3 is left. Now when you put this arrow for bringing this number down, there is a clue. There is a trick. You have to multiply these numbers. 2 5s are 10, and please subtract 10 from 35 before you do this division. Now you are left with 25 number. Now you do the division. 7 3s the 21. One time you have to subtract by multiplying the numbers, and one time you will be doing the division, and you will be doing the subtraction of these multiplication number when you are bringing the number down. Now you see I am bringing the number down. This 5 is coming down, and this was number 3. So now once again you multiply 3 by 5. You will not be multiplying 23 by 5. No, only the last digit. 3 by 5, 15. And subtract this number from 45. You are left with 30. Now you do the table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. I'm not saying that, memorize the tables. But these tables, all the kids, they should be knowing on the tips. It's not only tables, rather you should be able to build up very nicely. So now 28. Now once again you subtract this number and 4 has gone here. 2 and bring down 0, 20. So multiply 4 by 5, 20, and subtract that number, and now the sum is over. So what is the answer? 234. You may say that, ma'am, if we are doing the sum this way, the teacher won't approve of it. She will not accept it. You are right. She will accept the proper methodology with which we do the sums. But children, now let me tell you one thing. When you have done the sum, and you need to check it also, you haven't done the sum rather. You first do the sum with this manner, and now you know the answer. Then by multiplying you can get the answer very easily, and you can solve the sum during the exam or even in the classroom also. This method is not wrong. This is a trick. But you cannot do it in your notebooks. You can keep it in your minds. Okay, children. Now let me clean this board. Yes, children. The board is clean now. Oh, the sum with the high difficulty level has popped up. Now, once again I will tell you, the sum is not difficult at all. It will be made easier with the same trick. Now 9856 is the dividend and 224. So I will not write 4 here, rather I will write 4 here. Alright. Now 22. This table is not difficult. Like 11, 22, 33, 66, 44, 55. These tables are not difficult at all. 22. 22 ones are 22. 22 twos the 44. 3, 66. 22 fours the 88. And 22 fives the 110. But here we have 98. So we will divide it by 4. So we will write 4 here and 10 here. Now we are going to call this number down below so that it can give company to 10. Alright. Now this number has become 105. 4 fours the 16. We have to subtract this number from here. Now 16 will be subtracted. And 9, we have borrowed the number from here. Now 9 is left. 1 from 9 becomes 8. And we will, now once again, we will divide this number by 22. 22 fours are 28. Once again will come here. Now 1. Bring down this number, bache. 6. 4 fours the 16. Because here we have to reduce the number. 16. So the sum is solved. Alright. Now the answer will be 44. Yes, children. Now 2 more sums are here on the blackboard. They may be of the same difficulty level or maybe little higher. Let's see. Now the sum is 12,040 divided by 43. Let me put the bar here. 12,040 and 43 will be going as divisor. Should I write 43 or should I put a circle on 3? In place of that, I should write 3 here. And I will be dividing this sum by 4 only. Now, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. Generally, when we do division without any trick, we go by that. I would have written 12 there and 3 as quotient. But here, in the trick, there is one glitch. That is, we will not be writing 4 threes are 12. Rather, we will be writing 4 twos are 8. There should be something down below. Some number should be left behind. Now, I will write 2 here and 4 twos are 8. Now, 4 is coming because there should be some number which will be written and give the company to the number which is coming down below. Now, 0 is coming, and if 0 is there, how will we subtract 6 out of that? We should have some number here so that we can subtract by multiplying quotient with the number 3. So now 2 threes are 6 and I am going to subtract 6 out of that. Alright. Now 34. Now this is the time to divide. 4 8s are 32. Now children, subtract 2 and this is the time to bring down number 4. What you will be doing now? 8 3s are 24 and here it is 0, so it can go by that because this is last 0. If there is 0 in between two numbers, then we have to keep some number here. But if 0 is in the last, we can divide it completely. 24 minus 8, 3s are 24 and we are subtracting out of that and now 0 is left. This 0 will go here and your quotient is 280. Alright. Now let's move on to the next sum. This sum is 68,000. Let me put a bar. 68,754 and number is 306. The divisor is 306. But should I put 306? No. I'll keep this 6 here up above the bar. And now this number will be divided by 30. It is easy because we have to count the table of 3 only and 0 will be coming with that. Now, 31s are 30 and 32s are 60. Now, 8 will come by subtracting and now we will bring down the number 7. Alright. Now, what is the next step? One time we have divided that and second time we have to subtract by multiplying these two numbers. 2 6 are 12. So now 75 number is left. Now we will be dividing. 31s are 30 and 32s are 60. Now 15 is coming here and 2 will go there. Now once again you have to subtract also. So for that you will be bringing down this 5. Let me write. Now this number has become 155. Once again 2 6 are 12. So I am going to subtract number 12 from 155. Now the number 143 is coming. 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90 and 34s are 120, 35s are 150. 150 can't come here. So 120 will come down below 143 and 4 number will go here. So what is left now? 23. Now I am going to bring this number down, and this number is 234. So now we have to subtract 4 6 the 24. 210 is left as remainder. Why are we not going forward? Because the numbers are finished here. Alright. Okay students, before I say thanks, I would like to tell you that these concepts are going to help you a lot in the long run. So please revise these concepts once again at home. Thank you.